Your girl is monetized. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, we did it. Guys, we did it. We finally did it. How long have we been on YouTube? Guys, wow. I'm going to share the journey with you. But just looking back, I'm like, this is it. We did it. We persevere and we did it. Stay tuned for the story, guys. Two channels that I have. I have Meet the Parents and the Cleaning Mommy. I started out with Meet the Parents. I was doing random stuff. That didn't really work out. Then I started doing cleaning videos, and that was doing fairly good, but the watch hour was not doing well. Then when I started doing the cleaning and decorating on the and Meet the Parents, the watch hour then started to go up a little. Went all the way up to 2,800 and something watch hour, almost 3,000 watch hours. Yeah, and then it just stopped, not moving. So then I kept wondering, why is the watch hour not going up and I'm not more videos? Alright, long story short, guys, I realized that it wasn't working. I did a research, and then I realized I was putting too much stuff, different niches on the channel. So, Mr. Mannix, big up yourself. Yep. We were talking, I think it was, 1 year ago. And he said, sis, why don't you just, create another channel for your cleaning, because I love cooking and I love the cleaning. And I said, I can do that. And he said, yeah man, you can do so. You don't have to have all the niche on one thing, and you're preventing you from getting the views that you want, because you're confusing the algorithm with so many different things. So I said, sounds like a good idea, let me try. Guys, 2023, I started, the last part of 2023, I started another channel, which is the Cleaning Mommy. Yeah. Guys, sometimes you start with something, and what you start with is not what you end with. Let me tell you. So I started the Cleaning Mommy channel, guys, and it was going good. I was getting views. I wasn't getting crazy amount of views, but if I was getting 2,000 views or 1,000 views or 400 something views, to me, that was a lot of view. That was enough view. So I was grateful, and people was watching it, and people was commenting. We built a community. However, it went up to the watch hour now went up to 1,000 watch hour. My first 1,000 watch hour on the new channel now, and I was feeling good. I was like, yeah man, this channel is working. It's working better than the cooking one. So I was feeling, I was feeling good. Started posting more videos, and I was grateful for all who were watching the videos when I post them. So your girl was grateful. When I was getting 400 views, I was grateful. When I was getting 500 views, I was grateful. Now, the ending of 2023 in December time, I realized that the views were now picking up a bit more, because I started doing Christmas clean and decorate with me, and yeah, I was getting more views. And when I did my washroom video where I was decorating the washroom, clean and decorate the washroom, and that one gave me some views. So I was like, okay, so now we're gonna renovate the house, move forward. Now we're renovating the house, and we went live, and we got crazy amount of views on live, and then the subscribers start going up. So I was like, okay, think I find something that I can work with. But then, guys, because of the renovation of the house, I was not able to do my cleaning and decorating videos the way I wanted to. I was like way behind. For weeks I couldn't do anything. For months I couldn't do anything. It was so overwhelming for me and my family when we were doing the renovation, guys. Even sometimes I could not come and do any live because it was too much work. To pick up the phone and do video was just a lot. It was too much. One time I was thinking I'm just gonna quit YouTube and don't bother with this because it's just too much. And to make matters worse, when after a while, and I said, okay, in December of 2024, I started doing back some videos. And when I started doing back some cleaning and decorating videos, the views was like really bad, like really bad. And then the watch hour was going down. The same thing that was going on the other channel, it was the same thing going on this channel. The watch hour was just going down and then it stuck. And I'm like, oh my goodness, this again. What is going on? Why am I not getting any views? Why is the watch hour going down? So I started posting some videos now and then, like every week I'll post 2 videos, and the watch hour, it went up one night and then the other 2 nights after it just went down. So it went up by 2, went down by 7. It went up by 7, it went down by 20. And I'm like, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing? I don't understand what's going on. What? And I was frustrated again and then tell myself, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to leave the channel and just leave it alone. Probably YouTube is not for me because I will never get monetized. That's what I was telling myself, guys. So one day I was talking to Manix Robinson again from Manix Robinson TV, bro, big up yourself. Yes, I was talking to him and I was saying, bro, you know, some watch hour stuck. I wanted 300 watch hour to make up the 4,000 watch hours and I couldn't get it. And I'm like, look how much video me I post. I'm posting videos now and then. From that time I've been posting video like every week and I still can't make up a 300 watch hour. And then bro said to me, no sis, I'm gonna be honest with you. You're not supposed to be on YouTube worrying about 300 watch hour, you know. Honestly. You're not supposed to be worrying about 300 watch hour. He said 300 watch hour? One video supposed to can get 300 watch hour, you know. I'm gonna say, yes, bro, but me don't know. Every time I post video, it's just not working. He said, no, man, probably need to change what you're doing and try something else. So I say, bro, you know, say a long time you were telling me that, because he was saying to me a long time, you know. And I said to him, you were saying to me a long time, you know, but, man, it's because I love the cleaning and I love the cooking, them type of video there. But him say, if that is not working for you, try something else. You know what? You're right, you know, bro. I'm going to try something else. Because I've been doing this, you know, all along and it's not working. So it makes sense to try something else. So I said, all right, what can I try? I was thinking to myself, no, what can I try? And I said, bro, I love to do stories. So they can get some stories and talk some stories, man. And all of that. If you don't want to talk your personal story, talk some people's story. Give me some ideas on something. And I'm like, wow, I don't know, you know, bro. I don't know. Anyways, guys, I remember when I did the story that actually made me got monetized. Let me tell you. So I was about to do a cleaning video in the house, right? Even though bro just talked to me a while ago, I was saying to him, bro, a long time you had tell me doing it, because he was telling me from last year to try something else, and I was stubborn. I was like, no man, I love cleaning videos and I love cleaning and decorating and I can't change to something else because no. You know, I was like, no, I was stubborn. So I said, all right. After bro and I talked now, I was like, okay, I'm going to do a cleaning video for the last time before I try something new. You know when you're stubborn? Yeah. I was like, I'm going to do a cleaning video before I try something new. And guys, I was there. I started the cleaning video. And no vibes. I started cleaning. Like, I was like, I couldn't even take up the broom properly. I couldn't even hold the broom properly, guys. I had no vibes to clean. I felt like, what are you doing? The voice kept saying to me, why don't you just take up the phone and try to do a story? You know lots of story. Why don't you try? So I said, you know what? Can't bother with this. Then I said, okay, I'm gonna try. So I took my phone, put it on my bed. I put my phone on the selfie stick. When I sat on my bed and I was looking at the camera, I just started talking. I just started talking a story. And when I was there talking the story, the first part of the story, I paused. And when I pause it and listen to the story, I'm like, wow, probably I can do this. Guys, I had no intention to do a story, but I ended up doing that story that day. I completed the story. And then I found myself there editing out the story and editing the story and editing the story until the story was finished. And then I said, no, hold on. So after I was listening to the story, I said, but this sound good. This sound like something I can post. And then the voice was there saying, no, don't do it. Go and do your cleaning video. Delete this story and go and do your cleaning video. And I said, you know what? Bro, I've been saying to me from how long? Try something new. So you know what? I'm going to try something new. Bro said to me, you need to get a good thumbnail. Thumbnail and the title is what make people click on the video and watch the video. Like, I want something to be gripping. I want when people click on the video, they find the first part of it must be so gripping that they have to watch it. Guys, you know what your girl did? Put some water in her eye and yeah, red up her eye, make it look like me crying. Yeah, I was acting the first part. And I did my ear like looking like all crazy. And I sat there and I created the first clip of the video. Guys, when I was doing it, I was laughing at myself. I realized I was laughing at myself. I turned my head away because I didn't want to look in the camera, because every time I look in the camera, I was just laughing at myself, crying. But guys, I did it and I was like, yes, this is convincing. I put the video together and I created the thumbnail. My husband, the thumbnail, he said, yes, babe, this is a good one. I sent the thumbnail to bro. Bro said, yes, sis, this is good. This is it. I sent it to my sister Simone. Simone, man, this one is good. So I put up the video, guys. That video gave me 68,000 views. Yeah, 68,000 views. And you know the fun thing about it now, guys, man, oh wow. I could have gotten monetized weeks ago. Like from that video went up, I could have gotten monetized because that same video gave me 5,600 watch hour. And it's still counting. Can you imagine, guys? Wow. So a couple days, like 4 days after the video went up, the story video went up, guys. And if you have not seen that video, go and check it out. It's on the channel, the Cleaning Mommy name right here, so you can go and check it out. Very interesting. Have a part 1 and a part 2. Could have gotten monetized from 2 weeks ago, but your girl didn't know what was going on. When I said that because I did not turn on two-step verification on my account, and they kept sending me, YouTube kept sending me the congratulations email saying you can be a part of the YouTube partner program and I'm supposed to start my application. But I was like, there's no where for me to start my application. So I kept clicking on email me. So I thought that was what I was supposed to do. So the next day now, at the same time, 2 o'clock, I get back the same thing from YouTube. So I'm like, no man, this must be a glitch in the system. No, why is YouTube sending me the same thing twice? So I called bro, and I said to bro, they sent me the same thing twice. Bro said, maybe it's a glitch in the system. So see what, they can send it back to, whatever, send back the thing. Because he thought two-step verification was already turned on and it's the application they're telling me to sign up again. He didn't know that I didn't turn on two-step verification. So guys, just in case you have not turned on two-step verification on your device or in your YouTube studio or for your account, turn it on. Alright, so the third day again, the next week again, they send back the same email. So I said, no man, 3 times now, They send it back to me. I'm like, what's going on with YouTube? So I totally ignore it. I'm like, oh, glitch. Totally ignore it. Never know that people don't want to monetize me long time. I never know. Alright, so a couple days ago, I did another video and I got 38,000 views from the video. And guys, they send me back the message again. And this time I get mad. I'm like, no man, look how long me reach. No, my watch hour, guys, is at 10,000. 10,000 watch hour. And I can't get monetized. I'm like, what's going on with this thing? Why me can't get monetized and me at 10,000 hard watch hour? What's going on? So I'm like, me tell me husband, I'm just going to delete my YouTube account. Because this is foolishness. That's what I was saying. So he said, no, calm down. Just relax and don't do anything out of frustration. Just relax. Leave it alone. So I called bro. Yes, well, my husband, because I didn't even want to talk. So my husband called bro and spoke to him and he said, I must try and reach out to YouTube Center. But then when I was there, I said, okay, I'm going to do that. And then he says, reach out to them and explain to them what's going on. You keep on getting the same thing, because he thought I was getting to the message to keep on signing up the application form. That's what he thought I was getting. Not knowing I wasn't getting that. Totally something different. Just the congratulations first part I was getting. So 4 times now I got the email, the email from YouTube. So I opened the computer and said, you know what, I'm gonna try and use the computer, because the mind come to me and said, go and do that. Guys, when I went on the computer, right, and turn on 2-step verification, guess what? I got the thing from YouTube. Application pop up for me to sign up. I'm like, my heart came down like, whoops. I'm like, oh my goodness. So I called my husband and said, babes, come here. And I showed him. And he said, oh my goodness, so you never, a long time, you must send this now, you not do it. So I called bro, and bro said, yeah man, sign it up, send in the application. So I did that, guys. Sign up, send the application, accept the agreement. So that part was done. Then the AdSense now, and they said in progress. After I did that, it said in progress. Several days or 2 to 3 weeks, guys. The next morning when we wake up, yeah, that was accepted. That's done for the AdSense. Even though they said several days or 2 to 3 weeks. No, the next day, no, literally the next day, I was at I took my daughter to school. And when I was on the road, I heard bim 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 message coming. But I'm like, I don't have no data on my phone, so I don't know why I'm getting message. So I didn't stop and check it, because I wasn't expecting I was going to get monetized that day. Reach home after 8 that morning, and I took up my phone, not even thinking about the message that I got. When I took up my phone and look, boom, your girl got monetized. Man, I called my husband and said, babes, we are in. When I called bro now, I said, all right. I said to my husband, babes, I got food, bro. I said, you're busy? And I wanted to laugh, but I was holding, busy, I can't talk to you, but I was sounding so sad. And he said, yes, sis, what's wrong? What's up? And I said, I never get through, you know. And bro went silent on the phone. Bro now said nothing. You remember, bro? Ceremonies, remember? Bro went silent on the phone, and I said nothing at all. Started laughing. I said, trick you. Bro said, don't run there and do it, man. You're frightening me, you're frightening me. You said me go silent a while ago. You said me go silent, man. Me feeling me, I wonder why me couldn't even get monetized. So bro was happy and all that. And yes, guys, let me tell you something. Let me tell you. Sometimes you're doing stuff on YouTube, like you're working with one niche and it is not working for you. Try something else. Try something else, because the one time when you step out of your comfort zone and try something, that's when something can start working for you. Look at me. I was so steady in my cooking and cleaning, not want to try anything else on YouTube for so long. Even if I'm not making the money, guys, me feel good. You know why? Because to know that I did a video that got me so many views, and the video got me monetized because I tried once. Yeah. Yes, guys, so don't be afraid to try something new. If something is not working for you, step out of your comfort zone, try something new, because the one time you try something new, that may be the time that something start working for you, something that you never expect. So all those who have been on YouTube for a while and don't get monetized yet, don't give up. Don't give up. Not everybody gonna get through the same time. Some people getting monetized is going to take longer than some people. Mine won't take a long time, so yeah. You know, and people who have been on YouTube long after me got monetized before me, and I was glad for them. I was happy for them. I was excited for them, you know. But I know, well, I didn't know my time was going to come, because I was like, maybe I'll never get monetized. But it finally came, and I'm happy. And it's all because I stepped out of my comfort zone and tried something new. Yes, guys, I hope this was motivating to someone who wants to get monetized and it's not happening. If you're doing something, I'm going to say it again, if you're doing something that is not working for you, maybe you want 300 watch hour like me, or you want 1,000, or your watch hour not moving, just try something new. Try it, and if it work, come back and tell me that it work. Because Mr. Money said to me, try something new, sis. And I tried something new. I stepped out of my comfort zone. I tried something new. And now I can tell a story that it worked. And it worked so good. So good. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Your girl is monetized. Your girl is monetized. Your girl is money. Bye, guys.